Inside the cleanly designed box, you'll find the Wi-Fi Box 3 BLE gateway, two-door sensor, a Type-C data cable, an RJ45 network cable, a 2-pin connector cable, and a user manual. The packaging feels premium yet practical. Every component is neatly arranged and clearly labeled for an effortless setup experience. The gateway itself is compact, with a minimalist black finish and a discrete indicator light system that shows connection and mode status. The sensors are lightweight, sturdy, and designed to blend subtly into your doorframe. The WELOCK Wi-Fi Box 3 gateway with two door sensors is a thoughtfully engineered upgrade for anyone invested in smart security. Its plug-and-play setup, stable connectivity, and deep app integration make it a must-have companion to WELOCK smart locks like the Tuka 51 Pro. Whether you're managing a rental property, monitoring family access, or just seeking peace of mind, this gateway delivers reliable 24/7 control, wherever you are.